Well, good morning, folks, from Smolyan, Bulgaria. Last night we had some lightnings and a small thunderstorm and raining, and today is kind of a little bit very slightly foggy. Some clouds in Smolyan, and I'm about to work with my friend soon on the insulation house, making facade insulation for good warmth in the winter. And this is just the most beautiful view that I could probably ever work on. I love it. And Pomporo TV tower, as usual, some of you know it. And check the different layers of the mountain ridges. It's just marvelous, absolutely marvelous. I want to visit this peak someday. I have not been on this peak there. I have been on the Neviastator rock, but in this peak I'm yet to visit it someday. It's low, it's steep. Also, I've been on the red rock. This is the so-called red rock. I hope you like it, folks. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and comment below what you think about my town Smolyan in the Rhodop Mountains, Bulgaria. Thank you everybody for the support, and more than 715 people of you already subscribed to my channel. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. For me this is absolutely great support and I appreciate it. I wish you to have an inspired and a nice day, guys.